G'day cocktail lover, what can I get for you tonight? I've just finished dinner, so what do you recommend for an after dinner drink? There's two ways you can go with an after dinner drink, a digestive or a dessert cocktail. I like the idea of a dessert cocktail. Well, by coincidence, it's Brandy Alexander Day, so I suggest you get a Brandy Alexander. Who made it Brandy Alexander Day? Who knows? I'd always worked under the assumption there were some elder druidic bartenders who meet in a dark forest under the light of a full moon and cast the bones wherein the secrets of what drink belong to what day are revealed to them. That seems really implausible, but honestly I can't think of a better explanation. How long has it been Brandy Alexander Day? That is also a mystery. The original Alexander cocktail is over a century old. It was originally made with gin, white creme de cacao and cream. It's ended up being more popular to use brandy, hence now it's called a Brandy Alexander, but you can make it with any spirit really, and these days brown creme de cacao is often used. I like to do a split with the white and the brown creme de cacao, but the modern Brandy Alexander, fairly faithful to the original Alexander cocktail. I'm not one to stand in the way of history. Hit me with a Brandy Alexander. Let's go. We're starting with brandy. Of course, cognac is often used. I'm actually using an Australian brandy from the 23rd Street Distillery. If you wanted to make one of these at home, you simply use the brandy of your choice. Whatever you go with, we do 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of brandy. For the chocolate element that goes so well with the cream, we're using creme de cacao. Like I said, it used to be made with white creme de cacao. Many people make it with brown these days. I like a split. Whichever you choose to do if you're making your own, white, brown or a mix, we want in total 1 ounce or 30 mils of creme de cacao. We also want 30 mils of cream. Some people might go for a non-dairy alternative. I've been known to actually use a cream liqueur in here if I'm feeling just a little bit naughty. Whatever we go with, it's 30 mils or 1 ounce of the cream element. But then you'd be adding extra alcohol to the drink. Yes, that would mean more alcohol in the cocktail. Oh dear, what a terrible proposition. No, I'm with you. No complaints at all. A foaming element to the cocktail is optional, but I like it. A lot of people use egg white. Some people have a problem with egg white. It's messy, they're worried about salmonella, or they're vegan and they don't want to eat egg. There's a few things you can do. I use this thing, Wonderfoam. A few drops of this in your shaker glass and you get a great foaming result when you do your shake. We add ice to our shaker, put it together, bang it in hard, give that a good solid shake for about 15 seconds. If you like, you can do the dry shake and the wet shake. With the Wonderfoam, I'm just doing a wet shake with ice, like I said, good and hard for about 15 seconds. Good and hard for 15 seconds, title of my sex tape. Really? You strain that into a chilled cocktail glass. As a little treat, you can grate some fresh nutmeg over the top, and there is your Brandy Alexander. Oh, I like that. It's creamy, but not too heavy. You got the chocolatey stuff and it's still boozy because of the brandy. That's good. Glad you enjoyed it. And if you want to make this or other cocktail recipes at home, check out my YouTube channel. There's a whole bunch of recipes on there and you can follow along at home. So when you find it, don't forget, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new recipes, and just give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment to let me know you were here. And one more tip, all I'll say,
do not go into dark forests on the full moon looking for the druidic bartenders. Do not seek the forbidden knowledge. Some things are secret for a reason. Some truths are too terrible for a human mind to comprehend.
Or you might just get lost.